Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and add a calendar date picker in Google Sheets. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, make sure that you have already opened a sheet on your Google Sheet just like that. And then you can simply go ahead and select the cells or numbers of cells or ranges of cells that you want to have the calendar date picker on. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and select it first and then go to the data menu and then select data validation. So right over here, and then go all the way down to data validation and click on that. And then simply go ahead and click on add a rule. And once you've done that, all you need to do is under criteria, what you want to do is simply click the drop down menu right over here and select is a valid date right over here. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on done, and there you go. It's going to simply go ahead and add that rule right over here. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.